Hello everyone, today we will see one of the best decks for Arena 11, and using this deck you would be able to win more than 90% of the matches. And over here you can remove the wizard and put Mega Knight over here and keep the rest of the deck as it is, and you can make some more changes to it according to your needs and requirements, but keep the deck similar to this one, and this way you would be able to win more than 90% of the matches. And let's see how we can actually win matches using this deck. So when the fight starts, it's better to hold up and defend, and after that just simply go with the attack and build your army and the army wave. This way you would be able to win the battles quite easily. So here we go, the battle has started and we are level 9 but the opponent is level 10, so it would be a tough battle, but let's see how it plays out. In this deck you have almost every single card that can defend quite easily against almost every single troop out there. Just play wisely, and it's more about how you play these cards rather than the deck. And as the time goes on, we are going to play even better, because this deck will play some great cards due to the high amount of elixir that is going to generate after a while. We are ready for the zap, and here we go. We killed all the skeletons before they even landed. Bad placement, and I think we are going to lose this tower. So put your witch at the behind of your tower. This way you would be able to build some skeletons that would be able to defend your witch, and then move forward with your attack and build the army. Now let's wait. Do you guys think opponent will win this match? Just 25 seconds left. I think we will win this match. Eight more seconds left. And this is how our army is building up as we move forward. So you just have to do this similar kind of attack. We were almost losing our tower, but we built our army and we won this match. Now let's check out some more matches before we move forward with the end of this video. And this player is equal to us, which is level 9. Let's see how this goes. Throw the meteor, reduce the health, and we also drop our witch as well, and we are going to play quite good. Let's see. Start is quite good. And currently the tower is attacking our dragon, so our goblins will be doing quite fine over there. We caught the tower, And for P.E.K.K.A you can just simply drop down the tombstone and you would be able to get the P.E.K.K.A quite easily. By the way, this knight can also be taken down using the tombstone, but currently our tombstone is on the other side. That's why I just used witch over here, which is a great card in order to defend your positions. And here goes our goblins. Goblins put a psychological pressure on the opponent, so they play a good role. And here we go. P.E.K.K.A. Let's drop down our Mega Knight over here, and our tower is also defending. Here comes the knight. Let's drop the dragon and get the knight. Dragon plays quite well against the barbarians as well. Seems like we'll get some more HP of opponent's tower. Defended quite well. Let's go. And I think we will get the tower. We got the tower and match is over. See, this is how great this deck is. You can play with this deck even in lower arenas as well. Just remove the legendary ones, because legendary cards you would be able to get them in arena 11 while climbing up the arena. So you can use this deck for arena 12 as well. This is a great deck. Now let's see what we do in this match. And let's throw the goblins. This is a pattern. You can check out this video again and again. You would see that there's a pattern to this particular game that we play. We just drop the witch, use our dragon and the goblins. These three cards will do great and you would be able to destroy the tower of the opponent. And it is quite better to defend rather than attacking in the beginning. So when you defend, use your troops and save them, and use them in such a way that your troops remain alive even though that you are defending, and this way you would be able to build a stronger attack for your game. And here comes the great combo for the opponent. This is a great combo. We gotta defend pretty well. Should have dropped dragon on the other side instead of this side. And here comes my meteor and destroyed. We defended quite well, but here comes P.E.K.K.A. P.E.K.K.A will get our tower, it seems, quite easy. Now we need to get the enemy tower, otherwise the game is going to get over within 55 seconds. We also got the tower. Thankfully, the game will go on until the next tower. We gotta play quite good. It was quite important to destroy the rocket launcher over there. Mega Knight. And our witch got the Mega Knight. And here comes P.E.K.K.A. We will get the P.E.K.K.A. We are building quite good attack, it seems. Enemy just dropped the Mega Knight over here. What do you guys think? Can we win this match? We just thrown our goblins. Can our goblins do their job? Pretty great job they did. Now drop the witch in these times so your witch can generate more skeletons and defend very well. Now let's move forward. What do you guys think? Can we destroy enemy tower this time? I think we can, and we just won this game. It was pretty close, but we did it and we won it. And this is how good this deck is. You can win against even stronger opponents. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.